Anyways, hi everyone. So in this video, you may be wondering what is going on here. Everybody on the floor, handymen are walking, are just getting up, squatting, standing, and moving here and there. In case you're just wondering what is going on here, this is our bathroom in this house. Okay, so at this point, it is time for the bath to be fixed again because each time everybody had a shower in this bathroom, you'll be looking down the wall. So it's been on and off thing. So today, as you can see, as God may have it, in my off day, so they came and they want to remove the bat altogether. And guess what? Good news, I'll be getting a new bat in this bathroom. So that is why you see these men, amazing men, walking, crawling, like picking up things on ground, on floor, as you can see. So at this point, to be able to fix, to remove that bat, the old one, okay, the door has to be removed. The door of the bathroom, we have to go because the new bat is going to come in, and then now they remove the old one. So that's what they are doing there. And you know what? That old bat, very, very stubborn. They be pulling it, try to remove it. They say, no way, I'm not going. I say, you must go. By fire, by force. Back to sender. Alele, you must go. Fire, by force. So now the door has been removed, okay, put in one side. So now what they are doing there is to remove that wood. They successfully removed that wood over there. Now the thing is, the stubborn thing, the stubborn spirit, the stubborn man that is holding that bat is huge, that refuse to move, that is proving stubbornness, are those irons there. Man, they strong. Oh, they are very strong. If not that I silent this video, you will hear that the noise, bam, 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 just to remove that bat. It wasn't easy. It took them a long time, a long time. Now they brought out all the screws of the universe, tried it to open it, lose it to the best of their power. No will. The bat say, I have come to stay. I will not leave. Me Kukuma they pray. You must go. It's the last day. You go. Hallelujah. Your time is over now. You must go. Mhm. So they tried by all means. Eventually, they were able to remove this bat. As I speak now, that bat is still there. Okay. I think what is going on there, they want to try the last option. So they started pulling it from behind, just down. Man, these people they tried. You see men on ground on the bathroom. Oh, they did a very, very fantastic job. Man, it's not easy. Okay. This is what I keep telling my people. If you are working, work with your own heart. They did everything with their own mind, their possible best. In fact, me, I was even like, oh God, see, man, see what they do all for, you know, job money. But at the end, I know they are working for their money, but at least they tried. If somebody do something that is good, make sure you give them those praises. All right. So in the next few minutes, you're going to see this bathroom. Eh? You will not believe. You will not expect. The transformation clearly came after when they successfully removed the bath. That's the bathroom. There, that one you are seeing. So that's how it is before. In the next few minutes, you're going to see, maybe after this video, part two is going to come. You're going to see the new bathroom. It's sparkling, spotless, shiny, like what I would really, really, in fact, I appreciate them. I appreciate what they do. You see those corners there? Those corners there that you just look at it, you give you one one kind on your body, kind on your head. So those ones are going to be completely gone. I was shocked, surprised that the kind of marble they place on that back. Oh, more. Let me not just tell you the story. You're going to have to watch, be patient. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You will see the full transformation they did in this bathroom. So this bathroom is still there. He's just waiting for his friend to come and help him and remove it. There they are planning. Omo, to work this kind of job, it requires strength. This is not the kind of job you just drink cup of tea, cup of coffee, and then say, Ale, oh yeah, make we dey go. No, you will know that power dey pass power. Not until the day you decide to remove things inside your house. That's the day you know that those things are really heavy and they need time. They need full strength. At this time, no choice other than to just lie down. Let me see what is holding this bathroom, this bat that refuse to be out of this place, so that we do the thing we are going to do on time. So now one leg is finally off. The one that's behind it, that is, in fact, taking the strong man's strength, is finally off. Now they're going to try this very one that is here now. That one, I can see me that don't even know the job I know. Please follow this video and wait on for the part 2.